Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're digging into an online fashion brand, Livy, New York.
Right.
The goal here is to figure out, is this a real luxury boutique or maybe just another online scam?
It's a common question these days.
Totally. And when you first hit their site, livy-newyork.com, it really pulls you in.
Mm-hmm.
You see these models shot on New York streets. It gives off this really slick, high-end city vibe, very polished.
It's a strong first impression. They've definitely put effort into that professional look, the sleek layout, minimal design.
It feels premium.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that visual piece is key for building initial trust. Scammers often, they don't usually invest this much in high-quality photography and design. It looks curated.
Yeah, the collections look well put together, dresses, jackets, tops. But, okay, the prices. Our sources mentioned they were reasonable, not like super suspiciously low.
Which is interesting, right? Because you might expect luxury looks to mean luxury prices.
Exactly. So isn't a reasonable price actually a bit of a red flag if they're aiming for that high-end feel? Like maybe the quality isn't really there.
That's a fair point, but the sources actually framed it differently. They saw it as a positive sign, weirdly enough.
How so?
Well, outright scams often use really low prices, like unbelievable deals, just to hook people quickly. Livy, New York's prices are more mid-range, maybe aspiring luxury, suggesting they actually have real costs to cover.
Ah, okay. So not rock bottom, just not sky high either.
A balance.
Exactly. It adds a layer of, let's say, plausibility compared to those two good-to-be-true sites. But, looks can still be deceiving.
Right. So the glossy website is convincing, but anyone can make a nice website these days. How did we actually look under the hood? What did the technical checks show?
Yeah, we had to move past the visuals. First thing, domain information. If it's a scam, they often try to hide who owns the site or register it very recently.
So what did we find? Anything fishy? Actually, no. The sources indicated nothing shady or hidden there. The registration wasn't brand new, seemed like a genuine setup.
Okay, that's a good check mark. And basic security.
Yep, standard stuff. The site uses HTTPS, which is essential.
Secure connection, good.
And the checkout process looks standard too. No immediate get out now signals on the tech side.
Okay, so technically it seems above board. But then there's the customer experience piece. What did we find there? Feedback seemed kind of limited, right?
That's the tricky part. There wasn't a ton of feedback online. The few reviews we could find did mention things like good quality clothing, which is positive.
But not many voices saying that.
Exactly. Small sample size. And there was a consistent theme in those reviews.
Oh, what was it?
Shipping times. People mentioned it often takes a little longer than you might expect from, say, a giant retailer.
Okay, so slow shipping. Is that a scam indicator?
Not necessarily. The sources pointed out this is actually pretty common for smaller, independent fashion brands.
Right. They might not have huge warehouses full of stock like Amazon.
Precisely. They could be using overseas fulfillment, maybe smaller batch production, even made to order. That naturally adds time. So it's an inconvenience, definitely something for you to be aware of, but not an automatic fraud flag.
Okay, that makes sense. So putting it all together, the professional look, the clean technical checks, the limited but okay reviews with that shipping caveat. Where do we land? Is Livy, New York legit or not?
Based on everything the sources dug into, the overall picture suggests Livy, New York appears to be a legitimate fashion boutique.
Okay.
The effort in branding, the secure site, the fact that products are being delivered, even if slowly, it points towards a real business trying to operate rather than a quick scam.
Good to know. But that doesn't mean you just click buy without thinking, right? There's still advice here.
Absolutely. Even with legit businesses, especially smaller online ones, you need to do your homework.
Like what specifically?
Always, always read the return policy carefully. Understand the time frames, especially with potentially longer shipping. Know your options if something doesn't fit or isn't what you expected.
Good point. Don't get stuck because the return window closed before you even got the item.
Exactly. And payment use secure options. Credit cards are usually best because they offer buyer protection. Or established platforms like PayPal. Avoid direct bank transfers.
Standard online shopping wisdom, but crucial here.
Definitely.
So to sum up, Livy, New York seems to pass the basic legitimacy tests. Website looks good. Security is there. But be patient with shipping and know the return rules.
Right. And that actually brings up a final thought for you to consider.
Oh.
Think about it. This brand leans so heavily on that high-end New York image, right?
Yeah.
The sleek photos, the vibe.
Yeah.
But the customer review footprint is small, and there's that known issue with shipping times.
Yeah.
So how much weight should you put on the beautiful aesthetics versus the, well, the slightly less polished reality of the customer logistics?
Image versus experience.
Yeah. What does that balance tell you about how we trust brands online today and what we value? Something to chew on.